What if I told you that to truly become powerful, you must first be completely destroyed? This isn't a written. It is a secret held within the legend of a wonder of the ancient world, the Phoenix. A magnificent creature of crimson and gold. A marvel that soars through the sky for 1,000 years. Its life is a spectacle of life and energy. But its true lessons, the one that matters to you, is not found in its life, but in its decline. After a millennium, its strength fades. Its powerful voice cracks. The fire in its eyes begins to cool. It feels its vitality leaving it, like the tide pulling away from the shore. It could range against the dying of the light. It could hide in the shadows. This is what fear tells us to do. But the Phoenix chooses a path of radical courage. It doesn't fight its end. It doesn't flee from it. It orchestrates it. It finds the highest peak, builds a scared pyre, and with no fear left, it invades the flame. It's consumed. Until nothing is left but a pile of soft gray ash. Here, in the quiet of the ashes, lies the most misunderstood secret in the universe. True power is not found in the fire. It's found in what the fire leaves behind. That moment is where most give up. Because the pain feels final. Because the darkness feels endless. But that is the lie. That's the test. The fires that destroys is the same fires that purifies. The Phoenix reminds us, pain is not punishment. Endings are not the end. And now, you who have felt the sting of failure, you who have looked in the mirror and seen the ghost of your own potential. Do you see it now? The story of the Phoenix was never about a bird. It was always about you. Those moments of failure were never your grave. They were the sacred fire, clearing the ground. Every time you were burned down to nothing, you were not being destroyed. You were being given the most powerful opportunity there is. The chance to be reborn. Your ashes are not a sign of your defeat. They are the proof that you had the courage to face the fire. So, let it burn and rise.
Rise.
Break, burn, rise. The Phoenix lives in you.